Let's see how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Photoshop. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. First, right-click on the photo and convert it to a smart object. Now, press Ctrl and J to duplicate the photo twice. Hide the two copies and leave only the original one visible. Make sure it's selected. Go to Filter, then Filter Gallery. In the Artistic section, choose Poster Edges. Set the values as follows. Next, go to Filter, then Sharpen, and select Unsharp Mask. Apply the recommended values. Then go to Filter, then Stylize, and choose Oil Paint. Adjust the settings accordingly. Go again to Filter, then Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. This time, lower the first value to 60 and the second one to 5. Now click on the second layer, unhide it, and make sure it's selected. Go to Filter, then Filter Gallery. In Artistic, select Poster Edges. Set the values. Then go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Oil Paint. Apply the values. Now click on the blend mode and change it to Overlay. Lower the opacity to 25%. Next, go to the last layer, unhide it, and make sure it's selected. Go to Filter, then Other, and choose High Pass. Set the radius to 2.0. Then change the blend mode to Overlay. Now click on Levels and adjust them based on your image and your preference. Next, go to Vibrance. Raise the first value to 10 and the second one to 5. But this also depends on your personal taste. Finally, click on Color Lookup. Change the preset to 3-strip dot look and lower the opacity to 50%. And that's it.